Do you think our ancestors were monkey? This is the theory of Charles Darwin, theory of evolution. However, this theory not proven. Maybe Darwin's ancestors were monkey, but our primeval grandsire is Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is not my mental concoction, but it is confirmed by Kṛṣṇa himself in chapter 9, Bhagavad Gita, text 17. Pitahamassa jagato mata dhātā pitamaha vedyam poitram oṁ-kāra rikrisham Yajur Vedas. Here Kṛṣṇa states that I am the father of this universe, the mother, the sport and grandsire. It is also confirmed by Supreme Lord at many places in Bhagavad Gita, like chapter 14, text 4. Here Kṛṣṇa states, Aham bij pradpita. It is confirmed here that I am seed-given father of all species. Hence we can say proudly that all living entities are our brother and sister. Thus we can say whether we follow the so-called scientists, their theory will change time to time, or we want to follow the spiritual scientists, their theory are based on authentic sources that were not changed in past and present and will future also. This depends upon our discretion and intelligence person to person. Hare Kṛṣṇa.